Hi there, and for this video, we'll be showing you how to change your number on Coinbase. Now from the homepage, all we have to do is click on these dots icon beside your profile. On the top right, go to Accounts. Now once here, you can see your phone number. Just click on Edit. You should receive a code to that number. Now assuming you lost access to that number, now on PC, what you actually have to do is to log out and then go to the recovery page. But on mobile, you would see an option that says, I need help. You tap on that and you'll have to explain to the help desk why you lost access to that number. They would have to verify you and your account before you can proceed to change your number. However, it would be that easy to update your number without those problems. Just enter the code they send to the previous number. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, maybe subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.